Litiko neria Jumatano chitariki 2 mutinyo gatatu mwaka wa 2022 Chinsa Isano 2 kukware ni SMS itu ya mangana mayire nko tebya rali ato osange kulia kete ko kaboni ganyirana abakwenda kutobwatia sensemeli ya mitandao kutonyora Ndizi TV News wa sensemeli ya YouTube na bakotonyora Ndizi TV News bayo Ndizi TV News kerengere kiao ni gotokere nkire daika wetera asinamba eyera seskini yao igo ikaranzo ike ngomanyi na rali ato osangiri kuru iriani mo chabosongo amo nasugusu ile dariane Brighton Makori. Oyo le asense meri iyo monuwe manyerio nigakuru kwa choshu Auta. Keroto kuchaka nigobona bamenyi kurwa sebunge ya umachoge chache ase kaunti ya Kisii banyarire bakumojo mubunke obo Alifa Miruka asibateruna Alifa tarakora magendero ase ensemeyo nigobona bateruna estima sensemeyo nigabantu batigure barasige sunte kolengana nestima itaraika asensemeyo anene ase skuru yo bubundi ya agenge nigobona bamamachire na kumubodi bunanyarga gukora magendero ase amatuka yatigarite maga tutaraswa sobo jolio bonene elinde gosiba bachiko chora umurayo mungao indura nyar koreta magendero asensemei
10 maiga estimate iyo abana abachandegete ma abarimu abachandegete chi computer chibekire maiga chitabwa estima yerega iga yakore myaka 7 etanya guok baita bagokiye ekariba wantu gusabe sirikali yari wanje tokonye esukuru ene sana abana bakora ntumaiga banya estimate iyo gari teyo yakokora makani stima bati yarega igo bari gwanja barato igo estima kwanza estima nero mambo yote esukuru muni yemoroche abara ibaito barega iga MCS abachumbe bagoche batungene ngako konyegora bare yabura bagenda bori myake abana abantu tubwatege tubwato sana basoma iga bagenda kiagera na mani abakogenda estima teyo igo nayo gusabe sirikali itatokonye bataraji gwaka chikura batokonye transome yoke
esukuru ekere community yanchagete renta magenderero ase kenyoro na bara ase kenyoro banyore uburabu gwetera esukuru yagendereire abana basoiro otomisetie binte binge county yatoire yatwagachikira domu esabana bachikorara batemire sana na otosukuru county ase nja magenderero yamaya lakini estima nere chandete ikiasukuru ete kogenderere kia welding aboko gosambe bioma chi computer chiro ebinte binge dressing gete chi computer ebinte binge genteke ndigo kolekana onye stime yeteyo twatemire stime kumuri abarai umubunge twamubolirie oyoro mwesimiwa Arifa twaboliri omwesimiwa Rose Orondo yoro MCA paka bakonya goteba korenta bare paka gende paka bono cyana goita iga togo saba eserikali irobono iga county na bari baro abatara rubugambi mintarifa yo mwesimiwa iraliete omwesimiwa Rose irabaliete batore interestima elia bari mbara gose instructors bara banyore time yoko somia bara
Ekero serikali ngende kubeka miru bya ben helikwena kuna umurobiro CP5 kirendo ratiskuru ngabone skuru yoboroso ya Mama Rebecca Academy iyo ere asensemo ya embassy ngende kubekera aborokiwa chigutu abekirasi ya PP2 abarigeti ko graduate ya sedi tukuri lero asebona abageni nabayiboli bayikiranire asoma yigoyo eliyo kubekera abana abachigutu eligo sira amasomo anene eligo sira chisemi anene asomorobiro OCPC nigo mwarimu gose director monene anyaraka ukwana nigeta ni Ndizi TV onyaraka gotwerera aya kubwatia
isukuri yarero tubwate graduation yeye na abana ba PP2 intwe yotwachaka umwaka ulioera ni corona yaarire ona tubwate birasi bitatu playgroup abuna abana b'emyaka 3 bakurendene PP1 abana b'emyaka 4 na PP2 abana b'emyaka 5 bakoenda grade 1 so lero tubwate graduation ya abana ba PP2 bali twabwate ekero baachire graduation toko baachi certificate gunechi ubwate ebija yo mwana na nerieta lya school ye kworo kino mwana oyo asarure o CBC na intwe CBC buna yachite ntwe bangete ebintu ebinge tubibwata asiki DVD igono ekero umwana wakirega igo kumanya buno kire asiki professional
omugaso na ninge no magoko monene kuganiria abana baitu graduation engiya nimbata omwana okwenda grade 1 occupations ninge no magoko monene sana nabaganiria Amayia nerituko ryororo
Karto tukarita seseme yo yechisemi ni goto ikasebunge se county ya Nyamira asebono kurwa sebunge ya West Mugirango asebunge ya West Mugirango asabarai aho banyarire bago ikaze skuru ya Getare iri kwena na epasi go chia saboro kiwa be skuru eyo bakorawa no murai bwe kiama kia Ford Kenya Moses Gutangura amo nabarai bande kurwa se county yo bakorawa no mubunge bwenseme yo Vincent Kemosi ni gobono abarai abo ikira senseme yo ekarobandede kuyarigania gosikwena ne pasi na gosira masomo ase enseme yo
hawezi kuona ile mkataba na milioni mtu. Kwa hivyo sisi ile kitu tunaomba ni zetu ikifika tarehe 9 mwezi wa 8 2022 zote tujitokeza asubuhi tupigie Kenya kwanza kura ndio tuchukue ushukani. Nikisema harambee sema Kenya kwanza. Harambee Kenya kwanza.
Katapeli ya Ndwale Kituko Murkomen na watu wote wale walitusaidia. Munataka viongozi ambao wanadanganya watu wale wengine ama mnataka wale wanaenda kama timu moja?
Wale wanaenda kama
timu moja. Si wale wanaenda kama timu moja? Yeah. Wakipata wanapata. Yes. Wakikosa wanakosa. Yes. Sasa tunasema hivi. Wale watu wa Azimio ambao wamemshoka kataa na ushikilie msimamo. Wale watu tunawajua, wale Raila Odinga tunamjua. Ni mtu ambaye hajui kukeep promise. Amejaza uongo nyingi na ni kuongea na uongo. Kila kitu ni uongo. Kila kitu ni uongo. Sasa mimi tunasisi
abataneni amo nebyombe bya amangana yokoraria gose media nigobono byanyale bigo ikerana kuna ningo bigo chigotwara egikaro kyabali bakorigie kero kyo president gose kero ekanene agency ya Kenya omotienyi ogatano na kabere omwaka oyiga arene ekero abarai bari bakorie kero ekyo kyo barai wense batakirgo chigokwana amangana abo gose ekasumunu bo kinyamerori yemanyikanite bune debate nigobono ekyombe eki yekerande na bate abuna barabu buna media gose buna abali kibamangana gose byombe byabali kyamangana mbabwati president yo candidate onde wense gose ochikorie kero ekyo gobono nigo bariganirie debate eyo gose karekyo iko abakenya bachukwanirwa maga tutaraenda sobo chore wonne bwo mwakoyega
that the news media of Kenya have no candidate in the elections as they happen this year. So us as media entities and as newsrooms in our country, as we go about covering the elections, we have no candidate. That's number one. The number two, there are individuals who own media enterprises. And Kenya being a free market zone, every Kenyan has a right and opportunity to participate in business. And that does not deny them their rights to then participate in elections as individuals. So we cannot begrudge those who choose to take political positions. The more important thing for us as professionals in the content area and as the editors in Kenya is that those who make such choices to disclose them openly and clearly. But then also as they disclose them, that the professionals who must deal with news every single day be given the chance to do what they must do.
ase itaro ya yamokonyi bo maraibense Dr. William Ruto hagendeta sinse chiricha maiko nigobona nyandeka kwigirira umuroberi boye bo koimokia abakenya bari bokonyora kwa insego chigoro asa kwanete mangana USA University ya Royora ya Maryland ya sense ya America niga ya kwaneta ya kirate beruna ense ya Kenya ne kadukwero nche sobo choneta gitabarai bari bago chikoreta gosikumokereria obo ebirengo bya uchumi na magendero asense ya Kenya ebyanyarire bigosira gosibanyarire bikoirana.
The biggest issue that is on the ballot is the democracy of our nation and whether we truly have the opportunity to make free choices devoid of blackmail, threats, and intimidation. That's a matter that is on the ballot, and that's a matter that many Kenyans, in fact, if you understand a bit of Kiswahili, that's what informs the current push by many Kenyans to say hatupangwingwi, meaning we want to make our choices without being choreographed or chaperoned or blackmailed or intimidated. We are also going to be making choices about our economy and the democratization of our economy.
Dr. Ruto described Kenya as a nation of hustlers, those struggling to make ends meet in an economy that isn't always working for them. So it is fitting to me that he would choose as one of his first stops on his tour in America, the city of Baltimore, which is, I think we can all agree, also a city of hustlers.
Obomo wauka bono na uraji ko babo ko ganya sigika so ko botana ni vyama binde anene ekere kiama kiana Kenya kikurawa na matakarua hoteabuna goikaba guchinga gichinyororo gose chinga gichisaine rikorigereria amaragwa na machiko ayo gukora obomo wauka ni gagocha maiga boy go muraiwe kiama kiawe bakaronso musiokali tukuregoro hoteabuna muraiwe kiama kia ODM Raila Odinga kurende asarwete amachiko na maragwa ayo atakere ko tiwane karate tabuno muraiwe kiama kyo natakira hanno kubwata nabanyate bawo kwa kubujirubere na 15 na ibere go bono abo mobu waoka mbubwate getire getindi anene kero eganyetena ngaki bago chikwenderia obo mobu kero magia ana Kenya ndeke gusaba chingaki endeke makweliki asobo mobu.
We are immensely grateful to members of the technical team for their service not just to Auta, but to the country at large. Number 2, that upon receipt of the draft Auta coalition agreement and consistent with Resolution 5.2 of the NAK Kenya Party's National Delegates Convention of 18th February 2022, the party immediately mobilized the National Executive Committee to a special NEC meeting to deliberate on the documents as presented and to consider the same for approval. Number 3, that the party is aware of emerging multiple legal interpretations of the Political Parties Act as amended in 2022, especially with regard to the formation and management of coalitions and coalition political parties.
Asigi karo bunge nene nigo bona babunge aho banyari bakuru birengere byabo nene karo bandrete gukwanira igoro ye budget yo mwaka bujirubere ne 2022 go ikoma ko bujirubere ne 2023 hono nigo katia barayi bande go sababunge bande bahote abunense ya Kenya kire kwenda seri kabeso linde iri banyari bakunya kibese cye budget yo mwaka oyo iga kurende asabande ba machirense ya Kenya na batabuna li kabeso ni orisanire sabate bila serikali na ndete nyarage ukabeza kurendera yinjira yo gukini uchumi yense ya Kenya.
Any institution, any entity claiming that the debt of the country is beyond 8.2, it's hearsay, doesn't have any merit, and is not documented.
Medium-term debt management strategy be approved, but inconsistent with the fiscal deficit of the 400 billion that is maybe either the 400 billion or 3% of the GDP, whichever is low.
This proposed amendment is timely and we should all actually back it because it's purely to ensure we and the country are well informed.
We approve this BPS and the debt management strategy. It shall not be construed to be an approval to exceed our debt ceiling.
We have borrowed, Madam Speaker, actually over-borrowed beyond the limits set here in this parliament. And I was actually sitting here wondering the debate we had earlier, Madam, who have made this country borrow beyond the legal.
Omubunge Osuna West Peter Masara nigo bona nyarega kumotogi muraibu ense Uhuru Kenyatta asoko musira umuraibu kiama gya ODM Raila Odinga irigo chikwira libaga gose umurayu gatano wense ya Kenya boigo nigatebebuna abarayi kurwa sense meyu ya West gose ya Suna nigo bago chikwena kebuno umurayi Raila Odinga ngo irari libaga yoko umurayu gatano a sense ya Kenya boigo nigo mo mpyo ya nyareka wate osoma bungo yo nyareka wate abuna nere byaba Bonsu kubwatisia Raila ilikuwa kiuna ngora alensi ya Kenya kiagera kwate Kenya asengoro yaye.
We are very happy with the happenings in this country. We are very happy with the support His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta is giving to Raila Odinga. We are not going to let him down, and we believe that through their support, through their unity, this country is going to take a good shape, and this country will be a country after election where the economy will be stable. We want to say that all leaders who have seen the light, let them join hand in Azimio la Umoja so that we can live one united country called Kenya. Where you are a Somali, whether you are a Muslim, whether you are a Christian, whether you are brown or black, you remain a citizen of this country.
Ayuna na kwarendia ze jinsi jiga kurende nyirage koraga Chinsa Ikomi na nujwa nyora yuamo na mange pina twenda kuya sangeli korume na isiko ya gusigo twaro buri buya ne Ndizi TV obwanzu kumagusi etariane Brighton Makori korendo yonkonya sensemeri homonu bwe manyeredio nigakorwa choshu Auta twara litko ligia.
Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'omugusi. Ndizi TV, obwansu bw'omugusi nigo bono yakunikira ndekerene nego kurengera chibiche chinkia na boigo chinkeno nukukigima na bogo tonyora asoro gonkor bwogusi neji kaunti chito etanaine una kaunti ya Kisii, Nyamira, Homa Bay, Bomet, Kisumu, Migori nechi semo chinde chinyinge nigo kotonyora asite kode ya Star Times channel 195, Go TV channel 824 na free to air decoders, digital TV na smart TVs. Scania TV yao na boigo onchore ilio yao igo iko yenyore. Ndizi TV nigo turine kirenga ikigo korentera emerunge chinka kichonsi. Ndizi TV obwensu vuomugusi. Ine nubwatu muchando bwa maiso guse numanyetundu bwatu muchando bunuyo enya gitari ya Kisii Eye Hospital nige kurubo garali bwensi bwukuruwa ya maiso buna eye consultation kubweni ya glaucoma diabetic eye complication kubara maiso kubwate kana na barubu gutwara